Welcome to Beauty in History, where we explore the rich culture and heritage of India and beyond. Today, we're diving into one of India's most vibrant and cherished festivals, Diwali, the Festival of Lights. A time when millions come together to celebrate the victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. Diwali, celebrated across India and beyond, marks the return of Lord Rama to his kingdom Ayodhya after defeating the demon king Ravana. It's not just a Hindu festival. Jains, Sikhs and Buddhists also celebrate it with different religious meanings, making it a truly universal celebration of positivity and hope. Preparation for Diwali begins weeks in advance. Homes are cleaned, renovated, and decorated with bright rangolis made from colored powders and flowers. Every corner is illuminated with oil lamps, or diyas, symbolizing the triumph of light over darkness. On Diwali night, families perform Lakshmi Puja, seeking blessings for wealth, prosperity, and happiness. Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles, is also worshipped. Following the prayers, fireworks light up the night sky, adding a magical touch to the festivities. No Indian festival is complete without food, and Diwali is no exception. Delicious sweets like laddus, barfis, and gulab jamuns are prepared and shared with loved ones. It's a time for families to gather and feast on traditional dishes, spreading warmth and joy. Diwali also brings communities together. The skies are lit with colorful fireworks, and streets are filled with laughter, music, and dance. Neighbors exchange sweets and gifts, creating a sense of unity and togetherness that defines the spirit of Diwali. In recent years, there has been a growing emphasis on celebrating Diwali in an eco-friendly manner. Many people are now opting for green crackers, using natural rangoli powders, and lighting eco-friendly diyas, ensuring the festival leaves a positive impact on both society and the environment. Diwali is not just a festival. It's a reminder to bring light into our lives and the lives of others. Whether it's through simple acts of kindness, celebrating with loved ones, or appreciating the rich culture and traditions that make this festival so special, Diwali is a time for joy, reflection, and new beginnings. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Beauty in History for more insights into India's rich cultural heritage. Wishing you all a very happy and prosperous Diwali.